Hello students. As I started the story Gulliver's Travels in my previous video, you all have seen that how Gulliver discovered land when he and his crew members were searching water for his captain. He went to explore the land and at last unable to join the crew members at the time of returning due to some complication. The inhabitants of that island were as big as giant, and Gulliver was like a dwarf in front of him. One of the inhabitants picked Gulliver up in his hand and started gazing towards him. He called his friends and after that picked him on the placed him on the ground. Let's see what happened after that. They all sat on the ground to take a good look at me. Since Gulliver was very small in front of the inhabitants, and it was a amazing incident for all the inhabitants, so they all started gazing towards Gulliver and took a good look at Gulliver. I walked. What Gulliver did after that? I walked slowly backward and forward. He moved in front and in backward, pulled off my head and made a low bow towards the farmers. Gulliver greeted him, holding his cap and bending his body. I tried to speak to them loudly in several languages, but each time I did so, the farmer who picked me up held his ear very close to me, but in vain. Gulliver tried to speak in several languages, but every time he was failed. The farmer who picked him up tried to understand his language. He brought his ear close to him, but he was unable to understand anything. The farmer took me to his house and placed me at some distance on the dining table, which was 30 feet high from the floor. After that, the farmer brought him to his house and placed him on the dining table. The dining table was also very big. Dinner was brought for the farmer in a dish which was 10 feet in diameter. The farmer's wife brought dinner for him in a dish, and that dish was also very big. The farmer's wife crumbled some bread and placed it before me. After that, the farmer's wife took some pieces of bread, crushed them, and placed them in front of Gulliver to as food. In the middle of the dinner, I heard a noise behind me. In between, he heard a noise. It was the purring of a cat that was 10 times larger than an ox. The noise was of a cat, and she was demanding for the food, and the cat was as big as an ox. The farmer's wife was stroking him. The farmer's wife was kicking the cat. Then entered the farmer's 1-year-old son in arms of a lady. After that, a lady entered in the room with 1-year-old farmer's kid. On seeing me, the child grabbed me from the table and put my head into his mouth. What the farmer's child did, he grabbed Gulliver's hold Gulliver's strongly and put his head into his mouth like a toy. I shouted so loudly that the baby dropped me. Gulliver shouted loudly and the child dropped him. I would have broken my neck if the mother had not held her apron under me, and the mother cast Gulliver in her apron. If she didn't do like this, it might happen that Gulliver's neck might be broken. Later, she put me on her own bed and covered me with a clean white handkerchief. After that, the farmer's wife placed him on her bed and gave him and covered Gulliver with a clean white handkerchief. I slept, dreaming of my home, my wife, and my children. Gulliver felt very cool and relaxed when farmer's wife covered him with a white clean handkerchief, and he slept there and started dreaming about his wife and his children. Students, I am adding the question answer in the description part of the video. You all have to write it neatly in your note. Thank you. That's all for the story. Complete your exercise in the book and write your question answer. Stay safe at your home.